Because today is a beautiful day, I decided to do solo hiking in Minoh Mountain. Minoh Mountain is pretty near from my house and it takes about 30 minutes train ride. Ajay gave me his GoPro, but I didn't know how to use it, so I didn't know it was recording. I reached the station around 9 a.m. and it was the perfect weather for a beautiful hiking. So when I was small, I used to live around Minoh Mountain. So I used to come here for a hike with my family or my friends. And it takes about 1 hour to go up and 1 hour to come down. And the waterfall is really famous, so we always used to go see waterfall. My friends in 50 years. So when I work, I'm surrounded by computers, and of course I go on my phone when I'm home. So it's really good to go into nature and go hiking, and it's a perfect way to spend a day off. Did you hear that, Ajay? Right? Sometimes I wish I was a fish. I think walking or hiking on the mountains in the nature is so much better than gym. I wish there's mountain near my place, but there's no mountain. There are many shops where they sell alcohol or little snack, and people get it and go to the waterfall. There was an old guy. He said beautiful. So I said thank you. Then he was taking it to the trees. Koi batne. Namaste Taj Mahal. आप कैसे हो? मेरा नाम टीना है. बहुत बहुत अच्छा है. Dadaji. Hi. After walking for 1 hour, I finally heard the sound of the waterfall. The waterfall was so beautiful, it was worth the hike. There are benches so that people can sit down and look at the waterfall. Sometimes it's really nice to have lunch without watching Netflix. I didn't stay there for too long, but if you're in Japan, I highly recommend for you to come to Minoh Mountain.